Sarap yarn.
For our ulam for the day, kailangan natin ng onion, garlic, syempre ating kailangan din natin ng pork, and ang ating special guest, tofu. Sobrang simple lang nito guys. Ito ang ating pork and tofu na recipe. Igigisa nyo lang yung onion, yung garlic, at syempre yung pork, at papalambutin nyo. And then after, lalagyan nyo na yung finray ninyong tofu. And then you just have to put some konting sesame oil and oyster sauce. At ito na ang ating recipe. Let's try it! Ang ating special ulam. Ang sarap! Grabe yan. Subukan nyo rin to. For sure, magugustuhan nyo talaga to. Nasabi ko na lang ang sarap! Tara, kain na tayo!